Hello, welcome to Math. Prove that integral e to the power x dx is equal to e to the power x plus c. Let's look at the solution. So let's write our solution first. Now let's repeat the question. Here we are going to rewrite this e to the power s using natural log. Okay, so let's write. Now when we use natural log to rewrite this, we are going to get integral e to the power natural log of e to the power x. Okay, so let's write. So here we are going to do substitution. Okay, so we are going to do substitution. So let's write. We will let u equal to e to the power x. Okay, so let's write. Now u is equal to e to the power x. So here we are going to take natural log of both sides. Okay, so let's write. Now when you take natural log of both sides, the base of natural log is e. So when you take natural log of this one, you're going to get ln u. Now when we take natural log of this one, because the base of natural log is e, the base of natural log is e, the e will cancel with this e, and it will be left with this x here. Okay, so let's take the natural log and let's see what happens. Okay, so let's proceed. Like I said, when we take natural log of both sides, you are going to get ln u is equal to ln e to the power x. And as I was saying, the base of this ln, that is the natural log, is e, and already we have this e here. So that e and the base of that e and this e will just be cancelled out, and then we will be left with this what, x. Okay, so let's proceed. So x will be equal to ln u. Okay, so let's write. Now here we are going to differentiate. Okay, so let's write. Now when you differentiate this one, you're going to get dx is equal to 1 over u du. Okay, let's write. Now dx is equal to 1 over u du. So the next step is you're going to put everything into the integral question, and then we proceed from there. Okay, so let's continue. Now we made substitution, so the integral question has now become integral e to the power ln u times 1 over u du because of the substitution. So here, now when the base and the base of the natural log are the same, they cancel out. Okay, and whatever will be left is the answer. Okay, so the base of this natural log will cancel out with this e, and it will be left with what, u. Okay, so let's write. Now when it's left with u, we just multiply it with this 1 and then the u. That is going to give us u times 1 over u du. Okay, now here we do cancellation. This u will just cancel this 1, it will be left with what, 1. Okay, so let's write. Now when you integrate to 1, what are you going to get? 1 du is just what, u. And then I've already done a video. Why is it that when you integrate to 1, you get what, x, or you get what, u. Okay, so integral 1 du is equal to u. Okay, so let's write. Now we are done with the integration, but we need to go back to the x word as the question was given. So but we know that u is equal to e to the power x, so we just put it back. Okay, so let's write. But u is equal to e to the power x. Okay, so let's write. Now because we are done with the integration, we just put our plus c back, or we just add our plus c back. So our answer to that integration is e to the power x plus what? C. Okay. Therefore, integral e to the power x dx is equal to e to the power x plus c. That's right. Now, the above workings tell us why is it that when you integrate e to the power x, you get e to the power x and then plus c. Okay, that's it. Please, if you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.